Hello guys, today we are back again. I want to show you some more tools on this part two of the video. Um, Last time we stopped at content area move tool. So this one, its main purpose is to move content, the section of the image to the and gives it a very new destination. For example, if you are to move this fish, and give it a new destination. It can do that very smoothly. To deselect, you press Control D. Deselect. First, come here to the Move tool. Select the Move tool first, then press Control D. So it shifts the object smoothly to a new destination. Next, we are going to look at our brush tool. Our brush tool purposely. It's used for shading, as you can see. You come here, you change the color of your choice, and you're able to paint around like this. Right. And next, we are going to look at the pen tool. The pen tool enables you to paint around, as you can see. It enables you to paint like that. Next, we are going to look at the clone stamp tool. The clone stamp tool, its main use, we use it to clone images, used to clone objects, any part of your image that you want to clone. You use the clone stamper tool. How you use it? You press shift, no, you press out, then you select on the part of the image you want to clone, and you come here to a new destination, and you're able to clone it like this. As you can see, yeah, it comes out smoothly to a new destination, clones it to another place. Yeah, that's the clone stamp tool. So down here there is a pattern stamp tool. So this one, for example, if you want to, let me use this image here. For example, if you want to put pattern to this face right here, you come here, you select any pattern that you like. Now you can select this one. Can come here and put patterns. Put patterns in the face. Be here. And also reduce the opacity. So we go. More effectively, you can just put it in remote again. More effectively, you can give it a layer. Can give it a layer for it to stand out. Then stand out smoothly. I will give it a layer. It's most effective if you are designing like that. Can put it to screen like that for any purpose that you like. You can use these blend options that to any of your choice that you'd like to use. So that's the purpose. That's the purpose for the pattern stamp here. So next we're going to look at the history. The history brush tool. As you can see, the history brush tool rubs. I made some effects before. The history brush tool rubs, takes you back where you were before. So like we clone this. Yeah, it rubbed it here. The fish was here initially. It rubs it smoothly. Let's try to do this image. Yeah. If you have to use the history brush, as you can see, it rubs the patterns away and takes back the photo where it was before you were editing it. So that's the main purpose of the history brush tool. So the art history brush tool, this one, it creates art patterns or artistic illustrations of an image. You can create some art with it like that. Then you reduce it. You can come here and make it changes like that. As you can see, and come and make some art with it. These effects are so useful in designing to make your design stand out and look more unique. You can use it. And next, you're going to look at the eraser tools. The eraser tool, as you know, it's used to rub things out, get rid of things, anything you don't want. You can erase it. For example, this can erase it away. Yeah. The background eraser tool detects the background and removes it. As you can see on this fish, fix the background smoothly. That was a mistake. Let's use our history brush tool. Right. As you can see, takes the background smoothly. Like that. And the magic eraser tool, it's the same as the magic wand tool. The other one, we looked at it in the selection tools. For this one, it takes patterns or similar colors or similar parts of an image and deletes the background. For example, like that. Now this place has similar colors. It takes it and deletes the background. And it is similar to this magic wand tool, which detects patterns of the same color and selects them for editing. So for this one, it takes patterns and deletes the background. Oh, Control Z. Yeah. Mm. Lastly, today we are going to look at this gradient tools. The gradient tool, as you can see, let's make it. Let's put here gradient. Let's use it. Here, I use black. Yeah, as you can see. But let's to make it more effective, let's add a layer and put it around your layer. So this one, can put it to screen or any other blend options that your view choice that you would want to use. There are very many. Let's use this and use screen, any of their choice. So this you can use gradient. It's more effective. You can use it in shapes to blend in more than two colors. If you want to use more than two colors in a shape, you can use a gradient tool. It's also good for that. All right, that's it for today. I'll see you next in my next video. We shall look at this the remaining tools. I hope to see you later.